I've been taking part in the RSPB Big Garden Bird Watch for several years, and in our garden the birds have decreased in numbers with a loss of quite a few species compared to 10 years ago. The RSP Big Garden Bird Watch takes place every year on the last weekend in January. You can choose any hour which is convenient. You just count the different species of birds you see in an hour, just record the highest number of each species you see at any time, but no running total. The blackbirds are still frequent visitors, and the wood pigeon is always present. The winner in our garden over the last 2 years are the jackdaws, and the house sparrow is still common. But the most noticeable reduction in numbers are the starlings. Blue tits and great tits are always present, and the magpies are still a nuisance. The dunnocks are fairly common, and we always have a robin, but I've never discovered a nest. The weather on the bird count began bright, but at the end of my chosen hour, 10:30 to 11:30 am, the weather closed in with drizzle and hill fog. After the count, just upload the results on the RSPB website. Every count is important because it gives a nationwide overall picture of our bird population and how they are doing.